This is $1 million in cash, and I'm gonna give random people 1 minute to try to spend all this money. Carl, start the timer. You guys have 60 seconds. Whatever you put in this cart, I will pay for up to $1 million. Starting now. Like,
go!
It's been 6 seconds. Oh, that's a big TV for a car.
What's one more TV?
It's almost been a minute. It's almost been a minute. Almost been a minute. Oh, and it has been officially a minute on the dot. No extra time. You did good, little man. I told these guys I'd pay for whatever they put in this cart. Let's see the damage. Holy crap, you grabbed so many gift cards, and these are $10 to $500. Look how many he grabbed. $13,000 in gift cards. Play back him grabbing these in slow-mo and put play of the day. Oh boy, they managed to spend $18,000 in under a minute, which is below $1 million. So congratulations, you guys get to keep all this stuff. Woo! Our next location is this entire jewelry store here. Jewelry is really expensive. As you can see, this stuff here costs $900,000 by itself, and all this stuff here costs $1.3 million. And of all the stores, if someone was to spend $1 million, this would be it. For this next one, we have Ashley here. Here's a bowl. In a second, I'm gonna start this timer. Whatever you put in this bowl before this timer hits 30 seconds, I'll pay for. Starting now.
Go, go, what do you want? What do you want? Tell me.
Just put it in the bowl.
Chandler, catch.
Can I go over there?
Golden necklace.
Yes.
Okay.
Go, yeah, go see Carl.
Thanks, Carl.
Of course,
Yes,
of course.
yes. I
It's
love
only
this
been 5 seconds.
I love this necklace.
You love this necklace?
Yes,
I got
love
this
it.
necklace. She loves the
Please.
necklace,
I love
Jimmy.
it.
5,
Oh, yes,
4,
that ring. Perfect.
3,
Perfect. Oh, yep, yep,
2,
yep, yep.
1. Okay, time's up, time's up. Okay. That's a lot of really expensive jewelry. Let's go see the damage. Is this like real?
That is 18 karat gold.
This is $5,800? There's so much more here.
It looks like you just robbed a pirate.
What are you gonna do with those?
Give them some gifts away. Keep
true.
some of it.
It's Christmas time.
Christmas time.
We just finished scanning what felt like 100 items of jewelry. What's the damage? Oh boy.
$60,990.
Wait, 60? I can live with 60 grand. I can live with that. Boys, on 3 jump.
All right.
1, 2, 3. For this next store, we have a special guest.
That's my brother.
Whatever is in this cart when this timer hits 1 minute, I will pay for it. It is all yours. Starting now. Wait, that was a joke. I didn't actually start it. Oh, my bad. Oh, but it is going now.
Does that card count?
Game! On Fortnite! I need all of this, I need all.
Keyboards will work for.
I don't know why Sean jumped over this counter. I want to let you guys know that we actually know the owner of this store, and he was okay with everything we did. But Sean got a little carried away at some parts.
What are you doing? Sean!
Hey!
It's okay.
Guys!
Are we just grabbing stuff?
PS5 game! PS5 game! Sean! I'm getting these Pokemon cards!
54 seconds. 55 seconds.
Get these.
56 seconds. 2.
I need it! I need it all!
Done. First things first. We made a mess. Everyone, we need to pick up. Anything on the floor, put in the cart, we gotta pay for.
We ran the
PS4.
whole PlayStation 4 Pro with no box. Where even was this?
I found it.
I'm smiling underneath this mask, but you can't tell. Thanks to Jimmy for giving me all these games. Yeah, obviously, I don't need all this, so I'm gonna be giving a lot of it away to friends and donating it. And, yeah.
Next up, we have John Deere. We're gonna do something special. Our contestant is actually Chris's father.
Yeah, he's a farmer. Let's do it.
So before we begin, I need clarification. Chris, is this your father?
That is my father.
Now that we got that out the way, we can proceed. You have 30 seconds, and anything you touch, I will pay for. Since he's your father, we're not gonna make him put it in a cart, because it'd be hard to put a lawnmower in a cart. So anything he touches, I will pay for. Starting.
Wait.
Oh, wait, what? Wait.
I gotta make this easier.
I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer. Starting now. Go. Anything you touch.
More cooler. He's touching everything in the store. I don't even need the help.
Wait, that's so many things. It looks like Chris pulled up something for you. I forgot the accents on the Touch it. Time. Wait, how much is this?
I think like 50 or 60 grand.
Who would have thought that the person at the John Deere store would spend more than the person at the jewelry store?
I knew we were gonna do this store, so I made sure to get him a tractor and pull it right up to the door. He had like 2 seconds left. It was clutch. Now you finally know what it feels like to spend Jimmy's money like I did.
We're grabbing everything he touched and putting it in this pile here. Look at all this stuff.
Why does he need 17 weed whackers?
How did you do this in 30 seconds? Did you actually like run?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen you run in my life.
I want to thank Mr. Jimmy, Mr. Beast, and everybody. It'll make life a lot easier, a lot simpler.
The total of everything here is $30,000, and if you include the tractor out front, it is over 80 grand is what you managed to spend. That is insane. We are now in Walmart. This time, I'm gonna give the next person a little more time. This is Jordan. You told me you're a school teacher?
I am.
Okay, how many students do you have?
On my roster, about 91.
Jordan, we wanted to do something special for your students. Here's a shopping cart.
Okay.
Anything you put in this shopping cart, we will pay for your students. I'm gonna start this timer here. Anything that's in this cart in 5 minutes, I'll pay for. All right, timer started.
For the students, for the students.
Just let's just grab TVs for your students.
Troublesome gamer headsets.
Yes.
Okay, there we go, there we go.
I got a vacuum cleaner because children are messy.
Yes. They need that.
All right, 2 minutes has gone by. You got 3 minutes left.
What else? What else? What else? What else?
Can we just have like all your laptops?
Notebooks.
The keys
Okay,
aren't
we
working.
might have to come back to the laptops in a bit. Let's go somewhere else. That sucks they couldn't open up the laptop. As you can see, we did cross the 5-minute mark, but I just don't feel like this is enough stuff. Your students deserve more. Here's what I'm gonna do. Oh wow, it reset. Well, you have 5 minutes, let's go.
Okay, let's do it. They could definitely use headphones. Projector.
Hello.
Okay, I'm gonna go find you a good cart of goodness, okay? It's gonna
Okay,
be good.
I trust you.
They finally opened up the laptop.
School supplies coming through.
Oh my goodness.
There's no PlayStations, only controllers.
Oh, 5 seconds left. All right, 3,
Oh, this.
2, I mean, 1, let's throw more lamps. Okay.
Yes.
Did she just grab a giant rack of light bulbs? The time is up, but this isn't her only cart. She also had the cart full of supplies from Chris, her other cart that she filled up, and Carl said he was filling up a cart. I think we did good work. Let's go check out.
great.
What did you get?
Listen, kids love snacks.
You know who else loves snacks?
Who?
Me.
Oh no.
They're gonna be elated. They're gonna be in shock, for sure.
In these carts is over $10,000 worth of stuff for her students. And we didn't want to leave Jordan empty-handed, so we have a surprise for her. Sean, bring it on in. This is Sean, our bodyguard, because we're in the middle of Walmart. Thank you for the briefcase and making sure I don't die. Jordan, congratulations. Here is $10,000 in cash.
No,
Yeah.
no.
You're gonna make me cry.
Just don't know. You just don't know. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have so many bills that need to be paid, and Christmas is coming up. My son's birthday is Friday, and we weren't going to be able to get him things that he wanted. My husband's birthday is the 21st. He was just willing not to get anything because things are so behind, and so I'm just so grateful.
I'm just really glad the money and all that just went to someone who actually needed it. That makes me really happy, and yeah, we're gonna head to the next store.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Up next, we're not at a store, we're actually outside. This is Mitch. And Mitch, we have cars lined up for days. Cut to the drone shot. So here's the deal. 2 football fields away is a 6-figure Lamborghini, okay? So basically we have a lot of really expensive cars lined up. The further away they are, the more expensive the car is. And I have a stopwatch here. You have exactly 1 minute to get a car and drive it across this finish line. And if you do, you get to keep the car. But you don't cross the line, you're just shy, you don't get the car.
High risk, high reward?
Exactly.
Wow.
So the second nicest car is a Tesla. It's still worth over $40,000.
Wow.
So, gentlemen, are you ready?
I'm ready!
Okay.
Woo! Let's go, Jimmy!
Okay, he did it. He's gone. The time is starting. They're off in the truck.
Holy cow!
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh! He's going so fast!
He's going for the Lambo! Never mind, he's going for the Tesla!
Oh my gosh, is he gonna get it in time?
Where's the key?
Oh no, he doesn't know what he's doing. The password 6969!
Someone help him!
Go, go, go! He got it! Oh my god, it's
10,
really close.
9, 8, 7, and just in time, he got it. With 8 seconds to spare, you just won a brand new Tesla!
No! You got it! You're alive!
Oh my God. Are you serious?
That is your Tesla.
This GPS is bigger than my TV at home.
Oh.
This is a dream right now. This is literally a dream.
Mitch is here because he's a subscriber to the channel. That's why we invited him to compete.
Mr. Beast just gave me a Tesla because I watch his videos. I like his videos.
It's that simple. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna go to the next store.
You're the man.
To spice things up, I literally made my own store, but everything is wrapped as a present.
I'm all cozied up.
I don't know why that was relevant.
I am all cozied up. I don't know what to tell you.
First off, I need you to pick a number between 1 and 3.
3.
So you, Brandon, have 3 minutes to grab as many presents as you can from here and put them underneath this Christmas tree. I just started this timer, which means your 3 minutes has begun.
Just start throwing stuff loose.
And you might be wondering, what is here? Well, here's a couch.
How do you know it's wrapped up?
Over a minute has elapsed. You still got 2 minutes left.
I can't pick this up, but I don't know what it is.
Everything.
It's so heavy, I don't know what it is.
All right, so I should probably mention that we only bought a PS4. What? Everything here is actually kind of expensive. 2 minutes and 20 seconds has elapsed. 40 seconds remaining. Carl. Oh. Brandon, you got 25 seconds. Wait. Pick something else. 8, 7, 6. All right, it's not even that close. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did stop. Bazinga, bazinga. 3 minutes has elapsed. All right, so let's go around the edge. This isn't on the red, so we got to kick it out. The Foreman grill is on. What about this?
Oh.
All I'm saying is I might have to sneeze real quick. Hurry. Achoo.
Wait.
Achoo. Oh, okay, I finished my 3rd sneeze.
Looks like it's in.
Okay, good enough. Congratulations on all the brand new stuff. You want to just start opening some of it?
Sure.
Yo, let's go.
some logs. Where is the Frozen? I got that specifically for the 4-year-old. It's got Anna and Elsa. It is
A PS4.
a PS4. She'll love it.
Ooh, a gaming PC. I'm not gonna make you watch us unwrap all of this. On the screen is everything else that he won.
It's been a dream come true. Can't thank you enough, Mr. Beast. It's gonna be a game changer for the way our year's been.
No problem, man. I hope they have a great Christmas. Honestly, I thought he'd grab more presents and we still have a bunch left over. So I decided to let my security guard, Sean, have a go. Sean, do you need a recliner?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Come on, pick it up, pick it up. Is this a lawnmower? It looks like a lawnmower.
Hey, Sean, if you hate giant 70-inch TVs, don't grab this.
Oh, I'm grabbing it. The kids will love it for their room.
Congratulations, Sean, on all this stuff because you're super muscular. You're able to fit a bunch in here. Don't try to mess with us. Look at this man.
This is a heck of a surprise. My kids are gonna love it. You're all about the kids. That's why I like keeping you safe.
We are now at Carl's house.
Why do we keep coming here?
Meet Matt. Matt, meet Carl.
Hello, Matt.
Try touching this TV. He touched the TV. Let's get it out of here.
Oh my
okay,
God.
There we go. You now own that TV. Carl, I owe you a TV that's twice as expensive. That's how it works. You have 19 touches left. You can touch anything in Carl's house.
Well, I just got an Xbox. There you
All
go.
right, well, does that mean I have to buy Carl 2 Xbox X's? Oh, yeah.
Where's his room?
Oh, my room's up there.
Matt, what are you touching right now?
Doorknob.
You're touching a doorknob.
I got it.
Okay, that is touch number 3 of Matt's match. You just earned yourself a
I just
doorknob.
got 2 doorknobs.
Oh, right.
Okay. It's kind of a blanket, but we'll include the mattress too.
I think so. It'd be number 4.
Another TV.
MacBook.
Carl, you just keep it. I'll just buy him a MacBook that's twice as good.
We should have thought of that with the mattress.
Yeah. No, oh.
That's my monster mini fridge.
Here's your doorknob.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
I want more VR.
You're enjoying this more than you should. Hey, Tariq, can I see that?
Oh, yes.
There you go. This is now yours.
You got
Okay.
Tariq's job?
AirPods.
Sure. All right, boom. 18, 19. One more touch. Oh, no, a Q-tip fell. Oh, darn! Tyler just mentioned that he could have touched the house.
But you got a Q-tip, so that's cool.
I thought about touching the house. Big brain in it, but I didn't. Didn't think I was gonna get this. I need one of these. Got the bed, I got the Xbox. Super excited, super stoked.
I got 2 PCs. I got 2 beds. Dude, if a girl comes over, she'll have a place to sleep.
Hey! Some of the people we selected in this video were random subscribers, so if you're not already, hit that subscribe button because you could compete for tons of money in future videos. There's no reason not to, it's free.